Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. Now you're probably wondering why I'm not using the screen recorder, and that's because for this tutorial I'm going to be needing to show you the keyboard, so that's why I'm not using the screen recorder. But in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to make any sprite do what we want to do when we press a certain order of our keys, like a certain procedure on our keyboard. So let me demonstrate to show how it works. So if we press the green flag, then as you can see there's a list called order, and if I go to my keyboard, then the order list updates, and if I press A, B, C, D, he says hello right there. So without further ado, let's get started on how to make this program. Okay, so first thing I need to do is create a new project by going to File and New, and I need to first make a list. The first thing I need to do is make a list called order, and this is basically going to control the procedure. So what we're going to do is we're going to say when go clicked, forever, if, let's just say if the up arrow is pressed. And that is this key right over here, this one. So if the up arrow key is pressed, what we need to say is, first we need to delete all of order, and we need to add U to order. Or let's add up to order. Then what we need to say is wait until, we're going to get a wait until block, and we're going to say wait until not key up arrow pressed. Then we're going to say, we're going to duplicate this script. We're going to say if down arrow key pressed, which is this key right over here, we're going to say add down to the list, and we're going to say wait until not key down arrow pressed. And we're going to do the same thing for the right arrow. So I'll speed this process up. Okay, so I'm done with the right and left arrow keys. Now let's test it out to see if it actually works. So as you can see, it works. You can put them in any order, and the order won't really matter because I'm going to show you a neat little trick that will work. Okay, so let's do that neat little trick I told you about. We need to get another when go clicked. We're going to say forever, if, and then we're going to get this clever little block here. Order contains thing. Now instead of thing, we're going to say order contains up. Now what this means is whatever, this is basically a Boolean block, it's called. So if the order list contains the string up, then it's going to return true. Otherwise it's going to return false. So this should be true if we press the up arrow. So, as you can see, it's perfect. But if it deletes, then you can see it's false. Again, if we do this, true. Cool. So we need to say if order contains up, then we're going to get an and. We're actually going to get 3 ands. Oh, and I also forgot to mention the number of ands that you use will depend on the number of keys that you put in that order list. If order contains up, or down, or right, or left, and we're going to put that all in this if. Then we're going to broadcast a message. We're going to broadcast say hello. And this is just a tester code. Obviously, if you're doing something a bit more complicated, you're going to want something else. But when I receive say hello, wait 1 second, and obviously say hello. So what we need to say is, if we just say broadcast say hello, it's always going to be stuck in this loop. So what we need to say is, we need to stop this script right after it broadcasts. Otherwise, it's always going to be stuck in the loop. So now if we test it out, as you can see, it works perfectly. Let me just show that again in the cam view. Okay, so here it is in the cam view. Let me go in full screen and test it out. So as you can see, the order is emptied, and if I press up, you can see it records right, records down, records in left, and as you can see, it says hello. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, then smash like and smash subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, everybody. Goodbye!
Yeah.